Sarah G names SB19 as one of the artists that impressed her. In an interview with Pep, Popstar royalty Sarah G was asked as to who among the young performers caught her attention. Sarah answered BINI and SB19. According to her, magaling talaga sila. Ang BINI, hindi ko pa sila napapanood ng live. Yung SB19, oo, nakita ko sila sa Billboard po. The singer-actress beamed when she talked about her past collaboration with SB19. But SB19, nakatrabaho ko na kasi sila. And kita ko talaga yung vocally lahat, galaw nila, in sync lahat. Talagang alam mong binigyan ng panahon to really hone yung kanila pong talento. Nakaka-amaze, ang galing po. Matatandaan na Sarah G and SB19 performed together in one stage for Acer, and you can really see their talent overflowing from vocals to dance moves to their charisma. They are very much in sync and the power they hold really captivates the audience. Isang malaking pasabog ang ilagay ang isang Sarah G at ang SB19 sa isang entablado.